This jungle is huge.
How are we going to find a tiger?
Do you see a tiger? Yeah, there it is.
That sure is a big tiger.
He's a friendly tiger, but I'll bet he has a nice big roar. I was right.
Will you help us surprise our friend Rocket?
Let's help the tiger surprise Rocket. Shh. We have to creep up behind Rocket so we can roar and surprise the Hiccups away.
Let's creep like tigers. Creep with us. Pretend your hands are tiger paws like this. We have to move slower and slower. Retardando, like the music.
Creep, creep, retardando. Creep, creep, retardando.
Slower, slower. Retardando.
Creep, creep, retardando.
Now roar real loud.